Today we're checking out the Brio box. This is a lifestyle home sort of gadget kind of box. I was really excited, even though it was super expensive, or I guess because it was super expensive, I was excited to get some more high-end products because a lot of the subscription boxes nowadays are right around the 25 to 49 price point, and they kind of contain a lot of junk, which I totally understand because you can only put so much high value into a $49 box, and you have to pay for the box. Plus, they usually include shipping and they have to put crinkling and do marketing and admin. So I totally get it. But I was willing to pay more just to get some nicer products. So let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and do unboxings like today on Saturdays. So the first thing you probably want to know, because I said it was the most expensive box, is it was $159. I did purchase this through Cratejoy. You can order it directly on their website. I would caution you though, if you order on Cratejoy, I meant to get the seasonal box, but it didn't really give me a choice, and for some reason it sent me the welcome box, which I only discovered when I looked on their website after I received the box, and that's not what I wanted. I really wanted the seasonal box. So I ordered the past seasonal box, the fall 2021, just to see what it was like. So we'll take a look at that one, but it did come super fast. This box is so big, I can't even get it into the full shot. The camera's just not going to go that high unless I string it up to the ceiling, which I'm not able to do. So it came in a plain brown box, and it says fragile, handle with care, but of course it looks like it was delivered upside down. There's like, oh, it's cloth. Hold on. I will have to turn it sideways to pull it out of the box. Okay. There we go. All right, so it's in a little box with some cords, I guess, some rope cords around it. And we will loosen those up and take it out. All right, so it's upside down again. Just can't win. All right. So here we go. So this says Brio box here. The rest of it is all white, and it has a little flap here to open it up. There we go. All right, so I can't even, all right, I know it's kind of sideways, but that's the best we can do with the angle that I have here. Let me try to move the camera over a little. All right, there we go. Okay, so Brio box product catalog. About Brio box, you deserve this. I like that. Confirmation that I should buy the world's most expensive box. And it looks like it starts with number 6. Did I skip a page? I did not skip a page. I'm so confused by this, but maybe they forgot to print a page. But okay, so this is what's inside. This is how to use what's inside. And the coffee cookie, that sounds yummy. And wireless earbud charging case. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. So it looks like 1 through 6 is just missing. I don't know what that means. Palladium, the true wireless earbuds with charging. Oh, these are actually earbuds. I thought it was just a charging case for like any earbuds, but that doesn't make sense because not all earbuds can be charged except with the charger they probably came with. So let's pop these open and see what this is. Can I open it? The box is smarter than me. Oh no, there we go. Sound and purpose. So I do have Apple AirPods, the originals. The second one did not fit comfortably in my ear. All right, so there's a left and right. Oh, there's 3 ear tips. I think these are gonna hurt I already know these are gonna hurt my ears. I don't know why, even though they're soft, like they feel okay at first. And then, like 10 minutes later, you're like, ow, this really hurts. But you know what? I'm just gonna try them because why not? Let's see. This is a cute little case. Listen, Sound CEO. I don't know why the camera's shaking. All right. So you have a little blue safety tape here, so I guess nobody else has listened to them. Oh, I see. So they have little chargers right there. I don't know how this is wireless charging though. It looks like it has to touch that area to be charged, right? Oh, that's a little light. Oh, there. It is not wireless charge. So you need is that a USB-C? No, obviously it's not an Apple cord. I don't even know what I'm doing. Is that a USB-C cord? Hold on. I think I have one here at my desk. I have many cords at my desk. Hold on. I will fish it out. Aha. Here we go. Yes, it is a USB-C cord. So they arrived uncharged. So we'll charge those up and then test those out. All right, so those are my wireless but not wireless earpods, because right when I think of wireless, I think it should sit on glass like my Apple iPhone, but a touchless dispenser. Motion sensor, USB rechargeable, and splash proof. So let's open this up. And I bet it needs special soap. Right? Soap that can be dispensed. Do I really want that? Do I want this in my house? It's kind of bulky. Sure, why not? We already have dispensers everywhere. So that must have been why it came with directions. Oh, here, wash your hands, gel soap refill. All right, I will try that out. Seems good enough. Power without boundaries. It is Wi-Fi voice. Oh, it's a smart plug. So then in theory, I can charge it with works with Google Assistant and with Amazon Alexa. So I have both, so that works. All right. I am willing to try that out. I don't know how I took this out. I don't know what happened. Oh, there we go. All right. So far, I do like this box. These are all cute, nice things. Coffee cookie. Oh yeah. Is this a cookie? This is not a cookie. I feel cheated. What is this? Is this broken? What is this piece? Does this go here? Oh yeah, it goes here. I think it's broke. I don't know what that is. Okay. Coffee cookie. Spread the warmth. A coffee cookie. We're going to have to get the directions. I'm totally confused on what this is. I really thought there would be food here, but that's maybe because I'm crazy. Grab your coffee. Grab your favorite spot, order your usual hot drink, treat yourself to a delicious latte. You won't have to worry about not finishing your drink before it gets cold. When your coffee, latte, cappuccino, espresso, tea, basically anything gets hot, gets down to the ideal drinking temperature, turn your coffee cookie on. This will ensure your coffee cookie keeps your drink hot all day long. Snap it to the bottom of your paper cup or set your cup on it like a warming coaster. No need to rush to finish your drink. Oh, it's like a little heater. Oh, ow, that is hot. All right. I mean, maybe. So my drinks are all in these, I don't want to tip it over. They're in these stainless steel glasses, so they stay warm for a pretty long time. Oh, I see. So I should put it on there. I feel like it would totally fall. All it takes is a light little walk by from Lucky, and that thing is all over my keyboard. But, all right, maybe I'll send this to my dad. He was looking for something like this. All right, UV sanitizing wand. I like how everything's just washing because of COVID. They're like, you just want to be sanitized all the time. Let's see, a sanitizing wand. I think I'm going to need the directions again. Very, very confused. A sanitizing wand. So I guess it's like a magic, like I'm Harry Potter. Let's see. So we got the smart plugs, wireless charging case, the touchless soap dispenser. Okay, the Lume sanitizing wand. Push the button. Make sure that the UVC lights are facing downward. Yep. Wave the wand over the item that you'd like to disinfect. Start sanitizing. Make sure to hold the Lume for at least 10 seconds per area. Does that really work? It's one of those like magic voodoo things. Do you believe in it? Is it a seance? Do not allow children to use. Do not shine on skin, eyes, pets, or any living objects. I can see that. Disinfecting with a loom should only be used on non-living items. Well, that sounds dangerous to use, so we probably won't use that. It sounds like it spreads like UV cancer rays or something. All right, so that was it. That was the whole box with, I guess, we got a safety warning. We got a touchless dispenser info thing. So what did you think? I did not like everything. The headphones I loved. I use these earpieces now at my desk. I do have AirPods, but I usually take those to the gym, so they're in my bag so I don't forget them. And so now I just have a second pair here in case I need them. And then the lights, the smart lights, they work right here. You can see, I really like them. I hooked them up to the light rings that I used for filming. So this way I can turn the lights on and off while I'm sitting here. It hooks up to Google Home too and Alexa. I just haven't done that yet. And I think that was, the soap dispenser actually delivers way too much soap. It is like, I don't know. It's more soap than you would ever need. I guess they're trying to make sure you have enough soap, but I would rather have a foaming soap dispenser. So, and honestly, I don't need any soap dispenser at all. I'm perfectly fine with the one that the soap already comes in that we have that we refill. So yeah, so there's that. And then the other ones I just gave away to friends. So let me know what you thought of the box. I do have the fall unboxing, but you already know what's inside, but we might just do that for fun. And I'll let you know how the products work out. Now, the $500 anniversary box supposedly has $800 worth of products in it. I was almost going to buy it because it had this cool mug where you could set the temperature of what you want your beverage to be on the inside, and the battery lasts, I think, up to 2 hours. However, there was nothing else in the box that I was really excited about. So if you want to see the contents of that, check out, there's two ladies called, I think it's called Shades of Grey, and they bought the box and they went through and did the unboxing. In fact, there's one product, it's called the Sous Vide, and one of the girls, because there's two of them, she's like, oh, this is great. She's like, wait, what is this? And I don't want it. It looks hugely massive and really heavy. And plus the watch, you'll see it. It's a spoiler on the website for the anniversary box. The watch I thought was hideous, and it says it's a $400 value. So right there, they're taking $400 of the value towards something that I really didn't want. So I'm not saying I won't get it in the future, like maybe if they have another anniversary box in the future, because I do like their gadgets and things that they picked out. I think they're kind of unique and cool. So yeah. All right. Well, if you know of any other high-end luxury subscription boxes that you want me to check out, leave a link below. I would be happy to check those out. Again, like I said, most of the boxes that are out there are really lower cost, and because of that, they're kind of like kitschy things that I don't really need. And maybe that's because I'm a minimalist and I don't like decorating and I don't like knickknacks and things like that. So yeah. But I do still like the idea of a surprise subscription box, and like it's almost like getting a little gift to yourself. So I hope everyone's having a fabulous Saturday and a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.